Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mold. And today we are going to use this trim sheet and extend sheet. For this trim sheet, I have to create some body, and I have already used this trim sheet in this object. So I'm going to delete this, and I will delete this C option and intersection curve. This is my intersection curve. Okay, just show it. So friend, these are my surfaces. Now I want to trim sheet. Here we have this trim sheet. I want to trim this sheet. This is my sheet with boundary. This is my boundary with this boundary, and I want to keep this region, this orange region I want to keep, and the remaining inside portion will cut. Okay, and for this surface is going here to there. So again, select this surface and then boundary. This is my boundary, and preview, or we can change this as discard. So this will discard and it will remove. So keep this, preview, and OK. So with the help of this you can trim. Now I am going to create one more surface which will cut this surface and extrude this curve. Now I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this 5, and now I have 5 surfaces, and now I want to use this trim surface. So my target is this and boundary is this. Now see, this is my preview. Now I want to add one more target. Now I have 2 target, and this is my boundary. With this boundary the remaining portion will cut, and with this I want to add one more boundary, and this plane become the boundary. So this is the result. Or in this region I have 2 region which I want to keep, 1 and 2. I want to keep one more region. Just click over this side of the surface. Now you can see this will be the preview. So with the help of this region you can keep whatever you want to keep. And I want to add one more surface, this surface, and just see the preview. The opposite side has cut. If you want to change, yes, you can. Just go and keep this and just deselect this. This will cut and the opposite will keep. So hope you understand this target and the boundary and the region you want to keep or discard. Okay, and click OK. For next option I will delete this. I don't want this, and select a plane, and now offset this and define the vector and click OK. Now I am creating a circle. Now finish this, and for second option I have to create one directional vector. So select the plane and define and click, and draw a line. just draw a line. This is the line. We will use this line as a vector. So click on the trim sheet. I want these two surfaces as a target, and my boundary curve is this. Now you see this will cut like this. If my projection direction is normal to face, now I am changing it to normal to curve plane. My curve plane is here, and the projection vector will like this. So resultant will this, my result will this. And if you don't want these two, you can change, or just click OK. This will be the result. And again I select this trim sheet, and this is my target, and this is the boundary, and now I want to use this along vector. So direction will define with the help of vector. Now click this. This will be the result, or click. We can cut this because circle is going that way. Or if you want to change the result, just double click and edit the line and finish. The result will automatically change. Go and double click over this and keep and filter and OK. So result will like this. So hope you understand this properly, and in trim sheet I have covered all the options. So thank you for watching, and see you in next time.